Hi, my name is Brie Arthur, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to convert an ordinary pot into a hydroponic system. This is a really easy process. The first thing you want to do is find a container, and I found this one at IKEA. The reason I love it, it has wheels, so it'll be easy for me to move around my back patio to be able to chase the sun. Now here I have a tomato. This is growing in soil, so I'm simply going to dunk this in a pot of water, and I'm going to get all that soil off. So just like that. Now the great thing about tomatoes is they'll actually grow roots all along their stem. So I'm going to take this opportunity to remove all of this lower growth so that I can plant it deep and increase the amount of root mass. So I'll put it right here in the center, and what I'll do is add my hydrocorn. And hydrocorn is just terracotta balls that keep the plant sturdy. Water can actually penetrate right through it. It doesn't have any nutrients at all. Now the thing with hydroponics, you have to use a pump. And in this case, I'm using an air pump, and it has two nozzles. So what I'll do is cut this UV rated plastic tubing. I'll attach it on. And to make sure that the air penetrates the water properly, you need to use one of these stone diffusers. And that just slips right onto the tubing, and you'll ultimately bury that into the hydrocorn. Now the final step for hydroponics is adding water and nutrient solution. And I love this run. This is a great all-purpose nutrient solution that includes all your NPK. You're just gonna do 2 capfuls per 1 gallon of water. Hook it up into your electrical outlet and enjoy these tomatoes all summer long. So for more tips like this, check out my class, Homegrown Garden. Harvest more food in less space.